The motion of an object along a circular path is called as circular motion. So, what are the examples of objects moving in a circular path? This giant wheel, this merry-go-round, this fan. These all can be examples of circular motion. So, hands of a clock move in a circular manner as well. The minute hand, the hour hand, and the second hand all move in a circular manner. The motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called as periodic motion. See here, definition of periodic motion is given. The motion of an object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. Suppose the giant wheel is moving in a circular manner. We can see here giant wheel moves in a circular manner, and the giant wheel passes, let's say, this through this point after a fixed period of time. After one rotation, one full rotation, this wheel passes through this point after a fixed period of time, fixed period, then that will be called as periodic motion. Periodically it is moving through a fixed point in circular manner, so it will be a periodic motion. The motion of a fan can also be called as periodic motion. Suppose, let's say, through this point the fan is moving after fixed period. After each rotation the fan will move through this point again and again after fixed period, so it will be also periodic motion. So what are the other examples of motion we can give? The oscillatory motion and circular motion, that some objects complete one round or one oscillation in fixed period of time. For example, the minute hand of a clock completes one round in exactly 60 minutes every time, right? Suppose the minute hand is at, let's say, at 12, so after 60 minutes again it will pass through number 12. Similarly, the hour hand will pass through same point after every 24 hours, and second hand will be moved through same point after every minute. So these are all called as periodic motions. Now, the here one more example is given. The girl is driving a bicycle and she is traveling around along a path. In the path is in the shape of number 8. So there are two circles, so girl is actually moving in circular path. If you can say, she has to complete one round in order to, for if you consider this half part the first circle, then it will be a circular motion. If you only consider this second part, then again it will be a circular motion. But if she is moving like this, suppose she is moving in this manner, then these two motions, the girl will be traveling through same point after fixed period, so this will also be called as periodic motion. Okay, now here two more examples are given. The girl is playing, the girl is chasing a butterfly. The butterfly moves from one flower to other flower in search of food, and in second picture a small little boy is playing with a football. So he will also be playing randomly with the football, means he is not playing a proper game. He might be throwing upwards, he might be throwing the football in inclined direction or any direction as he pleases to do. So while chasing a butterfly in a garden, do you run along a definite path or in the same direction all the time? Not really. A butterfly constantly flits from one flower to another. There is no definite direction to its motion. Such motion is called as a random motion, because the butterfly is moving randomly. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called as random motion. What is mean by speed? we will be seeing in next lecture. So the motion of players in game of football is also random motion, because the players will not be moving in a fixed path or same direction. They will be moving wherever the ball goes, or the according to the game they are playing. The motion of a crawling baby or wandering animal is also random motion. So these are the examples of random motion. In next lecture we will be seeing what is meant by speed. Thank you for watching.